Ever woken up to an alert storm because your on-call schedule was outdated or missed a critical escalation? Manual on-call management isn't just frustrating, it's a burnout time bomb. The on-call rotation pack stops the chaos with dynamic role-based scheduling, automated multi-tier escalation chains, AI-driven fatigue analytics, and runbook integrations that auto-attach step-by-step incident playbooks. This isn't just for engineering managers. DevOps leads, SRE teams, and technical leads battling uneven workloads will sleep better knowing their team's well-being is algorithmically protected. Spoiler, it doesn't wake you up at 3 a.m. to fix your schedule. Here's what's inside the on-call rotation pack. Dynamic rotation engines with role-specific shift handoffs. Automated escalation trees with SMS, Slack, Teams, multi-channel alerts. Fatigue risk dashboards, analyzing shift density and sleep patterns. Embedded runbook templates linked to Jira PagerDuty incidents. AI workload balancers, adjusting rotations in real time. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a patch, it's your incident response operating system. Installing the on-call rotation pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add on-call pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow, rotation logic, escalation rules, fatigue algorithms, and runbook connectors, all pre-built. Your next Claude Code session picks up the new modules automatically. Your AI assistant now understands optimize for weekend coverage or balance night shifts across seniors. Warning, may cause sudden urge to delete your spreadsheets. Your team's sleep schedule? Just saved.